Greetings from the North Pole. This is Miss Fry, and my seventh grade English language arts students have designed gingerbread houses using an artificial intelligence app. They had to practice descriptive writing in order to get the home exactly as they had hoped it would be. From there, they created realistic realtor flyers. We are hosting a virtual open house, hoping that their homes will sell. And so I have some description on this page. As you can see, it isn't very long, so I would take the time to read it. But I kind of want to give a very brief overview on how this will work. So I have three groups of students: first block, second block, and third block. You can ask your child which block that they are in, but let's just click on first block. Our first student here pops up. This is the home that she has designed. She has three featured rooms that she would like to entice you with. And I understand that the font is little, so feel free to zoom in. You have all of the information that you would need. I will say that the page may take a moment to load. Please be patient. There are a lot of images. I could either click to go to the next, or on my screen you can see I have an arrow. Again, please zoom in so you could read their descriptive writing, as the writing was the focus of this activity. If and when you find a home that you would like to purchase, let's say that I really love this home and I would like to purchase it, you can just go back to our website and you could click Sales. From here, I have a Google form. I would just type in the name of the student. I could write sold, and then I put, however, feel free to leave positive feedback on what made the home so appealing. So I might write a personalized note just to give our students or realtors some feedback on their work, and then simply sign your name and submit. From there, I'm going to do my best to check this a few times a day at least. And let's say that Jayla's home did so, or Ava's. I'm going to try to add an image that says sold, so that way we can kind of see which students' homes haven't been sold. And it's okay if they don't all sell, but I know that that's what they're really have their hearts set on. And so we've really enjoyed this process, and we are appreciative of you for taking the time to support us as writers and as realtors. This is a really great, fun activity for us, so we hope that you enjoyed as much as we did.